letting the crunch speak for itself before we get into the recipe. We're making chili cheese toast today. Welcome back to Flowered, everyone. Hope all of you have been well. This recipe is foolproof and so delicious you'd want to make it every day for breakfast. Using a mix of cream cheese, butter and mozzarella results in a creamy molten spread once cooked that is so addictive. The chilies bring in the heat and the coriander a subtle cooling effect. It's such a balanced toast. I absolutely love it. Now I've shown two ways to make this toast, although I personally prefer the air fryer one because it's a lot more convenient. Irrespective of whichever version you choose, just make sure the cheese is molten and the toast is crispy. Be careful not to burn your mouth like I did because I was so excited to bite into it. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoy my recipes. I will see you next week. Bye.